Thanks for treating Papa as your own father. Balik rami dadi. Magpakalagsik. Mukaon permi. Gampo rami permi ni John. Bisag na amis layo. Permi maghandom ni mo. Hi guys, for today's vlog ay pupunta tayo ngayon sa Jensen dahil mamimili kami ng bulad na dadalhin natin sa Amerika. Kausap ko na yung aking kaibigan doon na si Maya at magkikita kami doon sa Jensen guys. Nag-order ako ng ilan yung in-order ko na bulad? Sobrang dami ng in-order ko na bulad. I think mga 32 kilos ang in-order ko na bulad. Oh, kasi uuwi na kami ng Amerika. Si Judjud, yun ang kakainin ni Judjud. Araw-araw, bulad na lang ang kakainin niya kasi wala si Daddy Honey at si Daddy John. Muuli na si Daddy Honey o si Daddy John sa Amerika. Maong ang sudan ni Jud permi ay bulad permi.
Daddy, we're going to bulad.
Ayun na, matuli sa ana yung sudan to.
Hey guys, we're going to KFC.
Not KFC yet. We don't have gas for the car. Uy guys, pasensya na talaga, magtataas talaga tayo ng presyo ng ating kuan kasi ang mahal. Papunta sa Jensen, ilang oras? 1.5 lang muna. Mura man akong card. Ay, na sila card? Ay, wala na. Wala. Wala. Wala dahil. Murag wala. Credit card.
Credit card?
Cash.
Okay lang po?
Okay na. 1.5 lang. Hala ka, kasi wala na pala akong pera dito guys. Ito yung nadaanan namin guys. So, pang-pang. Yun o, pang-pang. Jude is awake na. Ayun o, malaking bato siya no. Like, oh, he remembers. Sa SM. And may nakita si Jude na Jollibee.
Jollibee, can we stop there?
No, not this time. Are you hungry, Jude?
Yeah.
Dito na kami sa SM, ipipick up natin yung toyo dito. Actually, wala pa dito yung magbenta. Ganito yung nangyari pala dito o sa Jensen nung nakaraan. Ay, nalikikid ang kanilang ano.
Hala, pwede na dalawang?
I'm your follower.
Maganda nito. Okay, 5, 6, 7, smile. Thank you.
Hindi, hindi po na hindi ako kaya. Parang ginanong ko siya.
Ulit, one more. Done shopping a dried fish.
Oh no, let's go. Let's go. Let's This is the blue
Jensen, Fort
right.
What did you eat today?
Sushi.
Sealed good kay siya. Ay, we need the luggage, darling. Mga bulad, gikan sa Jensen.
Personal yan.
Na, kana ang 30 na kabuok.
Kani?
Daddy John, spray the room.
Pila ka buhok niya nga tamban mo na. Ano ng green?
Hi guys, ito na po yung mga dried fish na nakuha natin from Jensen. Pasensya na talaga kayo guys at hindi lahat mabibigyan. Ayan, meron tayo ditong mga dry squid or pusit. Meron din tayo ditong danggit. Ayan, may mga danggit din tayo dito. Kaso nga lang guys, may mga nag-order ng tag-1 kilo. Hindi talaga natin yan ma-accommodate guys. So, ang maibibigay ko lang sa inyo siguro tag-1 pack lang. So kung gusto niyo mag-try na, for example, ito, anopin, mulmul, ayan, yellowfin tuna. Hindi ko na alam yung ibang mga tawag sa kanila, guys. Nalito ako sa kanila. So, abangan nyo na lang ito sa August 4 dyan sa US. Ito na yung mga tuyo na galing sa Jensen. Pero hindi ako nagbigay nung, hindi ako nag-iwan nung lahat ng klase. Anong klase lang yan? 6? Alam ko 13 na klase yun eh. Pero kasi yung iba is tag-4 lang. Kaya hindi ako napaiwan. I-try natin ang danggi. I-try natin yan. Siguro ito, mag-try lang tayo ng tag-isaan. Isa. Bulad from Jensen. Sige, pagmukbang mo. Tag-isa. Ano ninyo?
Ano lapu-lapu na eh?
Tuna, yellowfin tuna. Kana lapu-lapu.
Kani alupin eh.
Anopin.
Alupin.
Walay alope.
Pantog lapu-lapu kay mahal kay kilo ani sa karne.
Ay kay gibulad pagod. Ano yung bago?
Ano ko baho?
Sige lang, dagan man kanon.
Baho ang balahan. Ano kay waday huyopon. Kasi piling tama ka siya.
Dili kayo siya.
Dahil sa
Askad.
inapan.
Dili parat.
Lapu-lapu.
Sige daw, ang lapu-lapu daw.
Ano lapu-lapu?
Lami ang lapu-lapu? Okay eh.
Lapu-lapu.
Ano yung lami ang puto kay wala kay kuan. Wala kay parat. Maka-high blood mag-Japon din eh.
High blood ang presyo.
Presyo.
Narao.
No.
High blood.
Okay, let's see. I heard you have something special this morning.
Yes, espesyal. Malunggay pandesal. Malunggay pandesal. Hello po. 100. Taga-asa mo? Kidapawan?
Malunggay,
Ginaluto na dire.
tagsing ko lang. Malunggay, cheese, pandesal, tagsing ko lang.
Kada adlaw mo nagagid dire.
Malunggay, cheese, pandesal, malunggay, cheese, pandesal, tagsing ko lang.
Mainit pa. Wow.
Ayo. Ayo.
Mainit pa.
Wait, write the sun, Daddy, honey.
Can you draw? Okay. Draw the sun.
I can't make it, so Layla is helping me.
Okay.
Is that the sun? Bro, it looks like a bullard. Look at it, yeah. Looks like the sun poop. Looks like the sun poop.
The paper.
Rain? Oh, yeah. Can I erase this?
No, you can't. That's not a pencil. Okay. Wow.
Shining and
That's
raining?
pouring rain.
Pouring rain.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow.
Not my rain. Look, this has a lake.
Okay, can you draw a house?
If he fails, I win. If he fails,
If she,
fails,
if she fails.
my turn.
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Is that a big house?
Oh, wow. You have such a good imagination.
My turn.
That's not a simple house.
like mine.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Don't erase it.
I can't make a house.
What will you what will you want to make? What will you want to draw?
A man.
A man, okay.
Circle.
Uh-huh. Okay, that's the head.
The head is so big.
And then
The
where's
leg,
the neck?
neck.
The neck. Okay, wow, that's a long neck.
I'm making a dinosaur.
Okay, where's the feet or the body? That's the, what is that? Feet? That looks like an alien.
Masyado masan, di ba? Itong kapote, kagihigot.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa bayan ng Blang kasi mamimili kami ng materyales. At nandito na si John Ray at sasabihin niya sa atin kung magkano.
Jordan from your house.
9,700. Akasya pa di ay. 9,700. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Son, that's a tiny son.
9,500.
Yeah, because yeah, Didi. Didi, ah? Didi.
Ah. Wow.
Hey, son.
Take care of Papa. Thanks for treating Papa as your own father.
It's not easy.
Not all people like that.
No.
Because other people, they don't take care of their parents.
No.
Because some, they get married and then they just,
Sometimes it's just too hard to do.
yeah.
Say like for my mom, she wants to escape.
Balik kami daddy.
We'll be back. One.
Magpakalagsik, mukaon perme. Maybe I will go back on my birthday in September.
Oh, you want it with me?
We will always pray for you. Magampo rami permi ni John. Bisag na amis layo, permi ma maghandom nimo. Bye-bye. Mama Jan.
God bless you.
It's okay to cry.
It's okay to cry. I'm so sorry.
Sorry we have to leave.
Nobody can see this coming. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Get one and close.
Alis na kami.
There you go.
Sobrang bigat nito guys. Kailangan talaga namin na makasama.
Thank you.
Lai.
Kasama si Jan ngayon. Happy Sunday everyone. Atindog.
Napay do dito.
Wish, silang ba na mo?
Wow.
Departure.
We're here now at the airport, Jude.
If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist.
Ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened at your takeoff station.
Thank you.
Is that with you?
Last one. Last.
Oh, you put chili in there this time? That'll make you go.
So good. Mas okay pa to kaysa sa sinerve ng Philippine Airlines kanina. Way better. No? Hi guys. Papunta na kami ngayon sa gate namin. 113 yung gate namin. And boarding na kami in siguro 10 minutes. Ayan, mag-elevator lang tayo. Looks like nagtatawag na sila ng mga it's annoying. we're gonna change that next time. Yes, with the other luggage.
Morning. Welcome to Mr. Cabanit. It's the third room.
Good. I'm maganda yung ano nila. Much better. Here. I'm here. Ah, okay. Close. Ah, ito pala. You can close it. I'm gonna do a tour. Let's do a tour. Sakay dyan na lang yung i-tour ko. How to close it here? Like this?
Right there. There's your handle.
Ah. Hello. Ah, like this. Ay, pwede mo siya isarado, guys. You have privacy.
Yeah.
No? I like it. And then dito, meron siyang I don't know what. Ah! Here, look on your other side. That one.
Oh yeah, it's a little cubby.
Oo.
There's water in it.
There's water. Para siyang meron siyang storage. May water, mayroong headphones. Ayan. Ay, paano isarado? How to pull it back now?
Be able to bend down.
Oh, thank you. It's my first time Qatar Airways. May sarili ka talagang space. You have a space. Ayan. Actually, if you're alone down here, you can
Yeah, you put up your.
you put up this one. Ah, dalawang TV. We're sitting together. Ni Jan. Ito, table. Meron na silang menu dito, dear. Ayan ang menu nila. Let's check their menu. Hello.
Hi, welcome on board. How are you guys doing? My name is Christina. I'll be taking care of you today along with my supervisor, Roxanne, and my colleague here. May I offer you welcome beverages for now?
Sure.
Yeah? Would you like a signature fresh lemon mint, fresh orange juice, stellar sparkling water, maybe champagne? Champagne.
The
Would you like
lime.
the lemon mint for you?
Yes,
Alright,
thank
the
you.
champagne for you.
Qatar Airways.
At least we get a double dose because it's this flight and the next one.
Yes.
Welcome you to our Q-Suite cabin, and my name is Roxanne. I'm the cabin services director. 8 hours 25 minutes back to Doha, and kindly let us know if you need any further assistance. For all Filipinos here,
Ah.
service is really taken care of.
Excuse me, requested for
Thank you.
Right there is fine.
So allow me to just introduce the Q-Suite for you. If this is your first time,
First time, yeah.
welcome to Qatar Airways Q-Suite. Yes.
you.
Thank you.
So your IV screen is over here. You have a remote over there that you can actually unplug and put it near you so you can access it better. If you do need us, there is a button over here on the right hand side. If you need the light up top, then this is the button that you should press. Yeah. And then for your Diptyque ticket is over here. On the side, you have your Diptyque towel as well. If you need your headphones and your personal water bottle, it's inside your compartment on your right, and for you on your left.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers here.
First time, happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
I think I wanna use my slippers. Ay, may pajama nga sila, guys. Ayan. Slippers. Medyo mainit yung kanilang ano. Here. So,
Oh. Maybe I have to wash it.
this one.
Yes.
If you wanna close the TV, pwede mo palang ma-move.
Or while
yung-
you're eating.
While you're eating. Ayan, oh. Ay, ang daming control. Wow. Ayun, oh. Wow. Ay, The same. In fairness.
I already disturbed it.
Wow. Kain tayo. Okay. Let's try this. Saan ba din ba? Change na kami ni John, guys. I really like the paras. I can find my it's gonna be like that.
Service is exceptional.
Ang video eh. Kami ni Jen, guys, dahil it's been a long day. It's been a long day and I'm already full. So it's time to sleep. Good night, Nighty night. Nandito na kami sa Qatar Airport. Our bags are very full, so we have to squeeze it. The free bags. The toilet kit, toiletries. Punong-puno. Dear. Wow. Amazing. No? Wow. That's amazing, no? Ang ganda ng kanilang ano. Hi guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Qatar Airport at din hinahanap namin yung lounge. Sabi niya, Al-Maha Lounge daw. Pero may nakita kami ditong Al-Murjan Lounge. Baka ito na yun. Iba lang ang pronunciation. Ang ganda talaga ng ano nila, guys. Oh, ang ganda ng kanilang setup, no? There's your Hermes. There's my Louis Vuitton. Al-Safwa. Ay, ang laki na kanilang airport. Ay, dear. We have to take a photo here. A video. Is this a bear or something? Guys, nandito na kami sa Qatar Airport. At ang ganda ng airport nila at ang laki. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ang daming mga nagpipicture dito sa kanilang famous na estatwa. Oh, ano yan? Oh, ang laki ng airport ng Qatar. Dali, dear. Is that a... I don't know what that is. Pero ang dami nagpipicture dito. Ay, nawala na si John. Ayun na pala siya, oh. Earth Fisher. Halak-kalaki talaga ng airport nila dito. Parang ano siya? Yes. Punta na tayo sa third floor for the breakfast. Oh wow. Talagang amazing talaga ang kanilang setup dito, guys. I smell the omelette. Hello. 2. Ay, wow, that's huge. Ay, wowie. Big brain.
Bring hide. You're gonna bring?
Hide. All right, let's go. Let's go here. Qatar. Wow. How amazing is this? Which is
Nice croissant.
very nice. Dear, do you want something? We'll put it here.
No, I'm gonna look at the other two. Looks like
Sourdough. Sourdough.
most popular.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want a slice too?
Yeah, just a slice. One each. Yep. That's good. We wait for it. And then I think none of these. No? None of these. Beans, pork and
Did you choose
beans.
a basket?
Yes.
Where is it?
Here. There's the. Oh, it's already done. Wow, that was fast. Back to back.
You wanna do another round?
Yeah.
That
Okay.
was pretty brown. But
Yeah. Perfect. Next, on this side, the bakery. You can get one of the muffin. Yeah. One muffin. So these are all. Maybe we can grab here.
I don't know. Tadka. Vegetable noodle.
The egg looks pretty. You want this? Okay. You can get 2 eggs.
You want cheese or plain?
Cheese. Olives. Black olives, green olives. To start. Salad to start. There's feta, cheese.
Like being on a cruise.
It's like being on a cruise. I'll try this one. I think this is their strawberry. Strawberry na kalaman. It's buffet.
Then you have medium or well done.
So you want the sunny side up or fried egg?
You like it very rare. Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then we'll try it.
Just like the order earlier. All kinds of egg.
Scrambled eggs served on sourdough loaf, garnished with chives.
Is that raisins?
No, it's currants or something. It's like it's a dried fruit.
You wanna bite?
Sour. Not berry, but it's sour. Yes, sir.
Pretty.
All right. Wow, look at how pretty that is.
Wow. Take a photo. Ooh. So on this side, here dear, oh, we can check. So on this side, meron silang parang sleeping quarters wherein makikita mo dito yung mga big planes ng Qatar Airways. Ayan, oh, it's really amazing, no?
Yes.
Okay, mag-e-edit lang muna ako dito saglit, guys. And then matutulog. I-edit and matutulog. Ayan, lagay ko muna yung bag ko dito. And then, okay, malinis na siya, no? So, dito lang muna ako. Maglalagay ako dito lang. Ayun, asa na si John? Ay, nagbe-video lang si John. Mag-i-edit lang ako dito, guys. I'm just gonna edit. Check natin yung kanilang game room. At least pwede sila makatulog dito. Ayan, dito tayo sa kanilang game room. I think the entrance is here. Business center. It's a business center. This is cooler here. Hello. Good morning.
Or
Yeah.
occasion, you can say.
Yeah.
If you'd like to have refreshments, we have available refreshments.
Yes,
Okay. Thank you.
we are.
You can print and wow, you can play. Ooh, yes, it's scary. C13. Hi guys, so hinihintay ko na lang ngayon si John dito. At nagsi-CR lang siya. Katatapos ko lang ilagay yung mga gamit ko doon sa locker. And mag-i-edit lang ako dito. And ito na pala yun. Oh, yung orchard. Ay, ang ganda dito. Ay, ang perfect dito, guys. Oh, kaso nga lang saan tayo uupo. Ay, perfect bongga dito. Ayan, oh, ay so beautiful here. Ayan. May mga shops din doon sa baba, may mga restaurants. Ayan. Ay, ang ganda. So, para siyang Singapore. May pagka-Singapore siya ang vibe niya. So, magpipicture lang.
Do I need to leave my bag behind?
Yeah, you can. So, nandito yung locker natin. Here's how you do it. Can you hold it first, darling? And this one too. So, you'll just tap it like that. Toot. Okay, you can put your bag behind. Waiting lang muna kami sa aming turn na mag-shower. Number 3. What number are you, dear? You have shaving.
Yeah, did you want shaving?
Yeah.
You don't normally shave. So then ask for it when you go back.
Okay. Mag-edit na talaga ako, guys. Gusto ko sana mag-travel sa susunod. Yung parang ikuan ko kayo, i-tour ko talaga kayo ngayon kasi guys is medyo pagod ako sa biyahe, so hindi ako masyado nakapagtutok sa pag-tour sa inyo sa lahat ng mga amenities dito sa lounge ng Qatar Airways. So next time, yun siguro ang content ko pag nag-travel ako around the world. Tignan natin yung mga lounge nila. Lounge, like everything.
You mean Qatar?
No, anything. Any lounge, like all the airlines, and then we rate them. Like for example, Emirates, Qatar Airways, Japan Airlines, because we don't know. The other airlines must be, or maybe better than this. Oh, look. Wow. So mag-edit muna ako, guys. And then, Update ko kayo pag nasa US na kami. Mag-shower muna kami. So, meron kang lagayan ng luggage dito. May sabitan dito. And then, vanity. May salamin. Big mirror. Sink. Ayan. Tapos, may toiletries dito. Towels. Hand soap lotion. And may saksakan pa dito. Ayan, plug-ins. And then, dito yung shower mismo. And may mga toiletries din. And then, ito yung mga amenities nila. Ayan, shower. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano yan gawin. But anyway, we will figure out later. May towels dito. Ayan. Okay. Wow. Everything is good. And pagkatapos ko mag-shower, ay mag-i-edit na talaga ako. Kasi kanina ko pa sinasabi na mag-edit ako pero hindi ko nakakapag-edit. So, mag-i-edit ako soon. So, isasabi ko na ito dito. Ayan. Tanggalin muna natin lahat. Ayan. So, basically, isusuot ko lang ulit yung mga medyas. Same pa din. Yung t-shirt lang ang papalitan ko. Buti na lang nakapagdala ako ng t-shirt. Pero si John is, isusuot niya rin yung sinuot niya kanina.